What's up, tech nerds? Welcome back to Dylan's Gadget Guidance, and today we're going to be building a brand new PC.
Wow!
Now it's been a while since we've never done a PC building guide before, so that is going to be this video. If you need to know how to build a PC, right here's the right spot. So we're going to start like any PC, and we're going to be looking at the motherboard. It's kind of like the nervous system of your computer. So these are the prongs. And this is a cable. This is a screw. Okay, so this is low-key horrifying. So this is the motherboard, all fresh in packaging. So the thing about the motherboard, what you're actually supposed to do, you set it on the box. This prevents damage. And we're just gonna gently, by the tips of the motherboard, we're gonna pull. So gentle. You have to be so gentle with things like this because it's technology, and we're not children.
And it was $600.
No. And then when you have the motherboard, we're going to put the processor in. Now this is actually the part that people like literally fuck up the easiest, you guys. When you're putting the processor in, the last thing you want to do is jam it in. So right here we have a AMD Ryzen processor. Would have gone with Intel, but there was a better deal on AMD, so I didn't really give a shit.
Some people say that the processor is like the brain.
It is the brain. That's right, Gavin.
Owen, actually. I'm the intern.
I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a new cast member to Dylan's Gadget Guidance.
Gavin.
Go ahead and introduce yourself, Gavin.
Hi, I'm Owen, actually, and I'm a new intern here. It's been really fun working with Dylan so far, and I'm excited to get this built.
Awesome. You know, Gavin here specializes in tech repair, so he can repair consoles, he repairs computers, and most importantly, he dabbles in headphone repairs. Isn't that right?
Yep.
From inside. Make sure not to touch the top surface of the CPU or the bottom.
Hey, Dylan.
What's up, Gavin?
Why do you have a YouTube video pulled up?
Well, come on. A mathematician is going to have a calculator. A tech YouTuber is going to have their YouTube video.
Okay, sorry. Brofist.
Brofist.
This is fucked up.
Oh, that is so tight. That is so tight, man. Dude, I'm freaking the fuck out. Okay.
Have you seen the video where the guy puts it in and he crushes it down and it just instantly snap, like the processor snaps?
We're looking for the corner. It's that corner triangle. See that? So.
Where? Oh yeah, I see it.
This thing is heavy.
Is it really?
This thing is hefty as fuck.
Don't talk about me like that.
Which way does it go?
Like this.
Are you positive?
Yes.
You sure?
You're 100.
Dude, yes.
Okay. I'm just saying.
It's
Okay,
in.
That's in.
It's in.
It's in. Now you crush it.
Oh my god.
Lock it.
Dude, the tension is insane.
Oh god. God.
Oh,
God.
Lord have mercy. Why is this so tight?
If you did it right, then if you're 100% sure everything is in place like how it should be, you're golden. You're golden.
Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. I'm gonna do it.
Just do it. Just do it.
It's in.
Nice. No crunch. No crunch. Hey. Good job, Dylan.
Cool.
Good job, Dylan.
Thanks, Gavin.
Owen.
You know what rhymes with the job Dylan?
What's that?
Bob Dylan.
Okay, we're doing the RAM.
Yay!
So next after you get your processor in that thing, you're gonna put your RAM on that thing.
You know, some could say that we keep an actual RAM in our PC.
And
his name is
Spock.
Spock.
I keep an actual RAM in my PC. His name is Spock.
Now I've actually done this before. So RAM's pretty easy. You just like take this shit out and you just like throw it.
Shove it in there.
You really do just shove it in. So we don't have a diagram.
You have a slight diagram. I do just kind of like want to like break shit off of here.
That's what I'm saying. It's like a micro rage room. Fuck me. So I'm assuming it's just top down. Like this is A1, A2, B1, B2. And it says first. Like so, we're just gonna want to set our RAM down. I don't know if that side wants to come loose.
Does it?
What do you think, Gavin?
I think that you should just try it without that.
Well, yeah, look, these sides have notches, right? This side does not.
Oh yeah, then you just leave it. All right. Okay.
Going in first.
Go in.
I almost did that at an angle. So real tech YouTubers know not to do it at an angle, and also real tech YouTubers know to put it in the slot that you actually set aside.
What do you mean, real tech YouTube?
Well, we're just starting, and it's like it's our first PC build we want. Okay, something ain't right. I don't like the tension, man.
No, that's fucked up.
Okay, so the thing you want to do with RAM though, I know this.
Oh, dude, are you sure?
Dude, that's the table. Yes, you watch him do it.
Lower the memory stick down and apply firm pressure.
Ew.
I
That's
know,
actually
it's
sick.
It's sick.
Dude, I don't know. I feel like it should be going down easier than that.
It's RAM, like.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it
No,
should.
that's good. No, that's fine. That's fine. It's in.
Okay. That was just the first one.
That was a pop and not a crunch, so you're fine.
Yeah, we don't want no. We want Snap Crackle Pop. We don't want no Captain Crunch. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Ooh,
Nice.
locked in place. That's the RAM. So let's get our SSD. This is our storage. This is like the. What part of the brain would you say stores stuff?
The brain.
That's powerful. That's powerful.
I think the part of the brain that stores stuff is the memory.
This shit was loose.
The hippocampus.
Yeah, the hippocampus.
1 terabyte.
We're gonna need these tiny screws that came with your motherboard.
Okay. Tiny screw that came with. That's 1 tiny screw.
Now, where's the second tiny screw?
I hope you're all following this pretty exact.
This is a tutorial after all.
Oh my god, this video is gonna be so much longer than I thought. I thought we'd knock this out in an hour.
That thing got blue on the back.
Yeah, we're not gonna use this. So there's 2 options. I could take the SSD out of this, but I don't really know how we did that, to be honest. I don't want to find out, so we're just going to. So he does like. Oh god, is that right? Oh god, is that right? You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
That is it. Wait, actually, well, let's.
Oh, that scared me.
What's that? Is it supposed to be doing what it's doing?
I think so.
It's like wobbling.
That's because I have to screw it in. It will be a miracle if this thing boots.
You get a new monitor.
No.
That's weird. What happened to the old one?
It broke, you know, it happens.
Really?
Yeah.
How'd it break?
Oh, I don't know.
What does this button do? Meh.
So, we actually might be in luck with the thermal paste, because this is a liquid cooling
Oh,
thing. So,
shit.
but you low-key still might need thermal paste for it. Like, I think thermal paste is just like a thing you need.
We'll see. We'll see.
I could just rip it off my old computer. What do we think?
I think it's beautiful. Ooh, wait. Let me get a shot of that. Come here.
I need a knife. Do you know what this part is, Derek?
That's the cooler.
That's right.
And also, you know, I hate to keep correcting you. It is. My name is Owen.
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 O-W-E-N.
E-N. Yes.
Owen. Owen. I got it. I got it.
Thank you.
I'll remember. I'm sorry.
It's fine, Dylan.
Look-
like, I get it. I get it. I'm new here.
Look, Garrett. I can remember a face, but I cannot remember a name, and it's just it's my own cross to bear.
No, I get it. It's fine. It's fine. We'll roll with it.
Yes. God, I hope we win the lottery. He said most fans come with thermal paste pre-applied.
That would be very generous.
So-
I think it comes with the tube, low key.
There was a bag of innards that here. Oh. Thermal paste.
Yeah, there's a tube.
Thank
There's
you.
a tube.
Thank you.
We got
Thank
thermal
you.
paste.
How's that?
What's
How's that song go? It goes,
what song?
Mama Michelle brings all the votes to the yard,
And they're like,
it ain't even hard.
And
They're
I'm like, Michelle's in the yard. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Obama's election.
Yeah, his election song.
Michelle's shakes bring all the voters to the yard.
Michelle brings all the voters to the yard, and I'm like, it ain't even hard. And I'm like, we're better than yours.
And I'm like, I'm gonna
Election
win.
wins. Okay.
Has anyone ever told you that you slightly resemble Jeffrey Dahmer? Slightly though.
I just hired you, and I don't think you want to cut that paycheck, do you? But like,
has anyone ever told you that you look absolutely
for my
ravishing today?
For my own curiosity, what makes you think I look like Jeffrey Dahmer?
Well, yeah, it's just the glasses and the.
What about my
Get up.
glasses? Well, like I have to see. I have to see.
Shut up, Gavin.
I don't. Owen, actually.
Be nice to Daniel.
Daniel, we're not even in the same realm anymore.
We're back to Dylan.
That's me.
I thought you were Daniel.
No, you are Daniel.
I'm
You
Owen.
told me your name
I'm
was
Owen.
Daniel.
You said O.
You know, I'm sorry, Peyton.
I'm sorry. Are you talking to me?
Yeah. I should have just listened to your advice.
No, it's chill. It's chill. Also, sorry, I really hate to beat a dead horse here, but my
Did
name
I get
is-
your name wrong again?
My name is Owen.
I'm
it's
sorry.
not Peyton.
Owen.
Owen.
Just say it.
Owen.
Hold on.
Owen. Boom. Owen. The intern.
Sorry, Logan.
Do you know what you're doing like right now?
We're putting a fan on the processor.
Oh God.
Oh, squish it in.
Okay. Now,
Oh.
I think I can just low key.
Do you need some to hold that?
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Don't worry, Dylan. It's almost here.
Come on, Derek. Ah, good shit.
Nice. Let's flip her over.
Ooh, this is a big case. This is intimidating. This is massive.
This is. Oh my God.
Wow, this is gonna be like my AC.
Which way does it go?
Look at this.
Oh, it's not that big when you. Well, like it's huge,
Dude.
but it's smaller when you put it that way.
Holy fucking shit.
Oh my God.
A little in awe, my brother.
That's gorgeous. What would you say to an aspiring tech channel?
Go big or go home. You know, I wasn't able to get more subscribers than Linus.
I dropped my fair share of hard R's back then because we didn't even, the term hard R didn't even exist.
Until I recorded my first hunting trip where I shot at the animals with a glue gun.
Nice.
Okay, we're on a part hunt. Part hunt!
Part hunt!
So, he has this plate. And the plate didn't come with the motherboard. And it didn't come with this case. I think it comes in the graphics card.
Yes.
Ow, ow, ow. Oh my God. I literally just, ow, that went in my ass. It's not funny. Stop.
Oops. Sorry, sir. Is it beautiful?
I don't know, I haven't seen it yet.
Oh. This is a worrying spot to put it.
Bro, this graphics card is huge.
Oh my God. It's got its own fans.
Where's this goddamn... Oh, it's on the motherboard.
What the hell? You have
It's
that.
built in.
Yeah, yeah.
As you can see, my motherboard has 9 holes.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably 9. I don't fucking
So you
know.
are installing the motherboard
We are.
right
So
now.
we're gonna.
Oh
like,
shit, we're getting serious.
Maybe I shouldn't have taken the back off quite yet.
We'll get it. Luckily, the core can support up to 6 Corsair fans. On one side, there are 6 ports for RGB, and on the other, we have 6 ports for...
Kratos.
The God of War. Quick time event. Zeus!
Zeus! How dare you take my power supply? What? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is gonna be craziness for like
Oh God. Is that the graphics card?
Yeah. This is what I should have bought in a warranty on, if anything.
Connectors for a total of 16.
Yep.
So one cable is all I need. The
What?
rest of the cables are optional. They are not required unless you'll need to remove the rear side panel to gain access.
Ooh, we gotta remove that rear to gain access.
Okay.
I see.
You already
I
took
see.
it off.
Yeah, look at that. So I think we just,
Throw it in there. Doesn't fit in there.
it goes in this one. So, fun fact, one of my biggest fears is a power supply, like overheating and blowing up. So irrational, but like,
Using the case that
freaks me out.
No, that's a valid fear. Doesn't matter like what way it's facing.
This way
Okay.
is the proper way. And it just like goes in.
Cool.
Okay.
Is it upside down or not?
No. You want the fan. It looks upside down for sure, but he said you want the fan facing the fan. So it's just gonna.
Okay.
I think yours is upside down if you look inside your case.
Oh, okay. It's kind of weird to me that we are like constructing a thinking thing.
Organism.
Isn't that weird?
A little bit. I don't even want to begin to think how people fucking like looked at dirt. They looked at dirt and rocks, and some of this is where we are.
We have Bluetooth and shit.
How do you explain
How do
that?
Bluetooth work?
No. Like actually,
If man come from monkey, why is there still monkey, Brady?
because well,
I meant Dylan.
well, Frankie, that's a really good question.
How did we get from monkey to Bluetooth?
Too many fucking wires. We booted. Quiet, Sam's asleep. We booted.
We booted.
So here's the
We
problem.
did everything while you guys weren't looking.
We did everything perfect. Nothing happened wrong. Here's the problems we're seeing now, though. Okay, these fans are
Not working?
blowing out, which is good. These fans aren't even working. So
That's probably what all that is.
it's probably what this whole.
I thought you plugged in.
conundrum is.
You plugged in the case RGB. I don't think you plugged in like.
Okay, so we're gonna. I don't think the computer should be on
When
while
you're
this
doing
happens.
This?
So
No,
we're gonna
probably not. You look so small down there.
stop.
Under my big
I
boot.
don't see you trying to build a PC. Last night we got a lot of progress done off camera, like a Minecraft YouTuber mining like cheat coding diamonds in.
But yeah, I'm just gonna show them.
We built it and it booted. I don't even remember what we got recorded last night because holy shit, we were up till probably
It was like 2 a.m. when we actually.
It was definitely 2 a.m. when I went into my room. So that was an endeavor. Luckily, it booted, no problems. The only problem we had that was off camera, and I'm sure people noticed it while we were doing it, the RAM was in the wrong spot. So we just moved the RAM around and it booted. But now,
It's okay.
we gotta put Windows on this thing. And then it's done, pretty much.
Here's a little sneak peek.
Power strip here. Oh yeah, our podcast. A podcast featuring a very special guest is uploading. on
Very
there.
special. We love you. Did you buy Windows already?
Nope. I just got the. That's gross. I bet my tongue was like, it's got coffee stains all over it. You can like smell my breath through the screen. Let's boot this thing. Ain't she pretty?
She's beautiful. Someone in the comments is gonna have a heart attack
At
because of the cable management. Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do too. I plan on doing some good old. I need an HDMI cable.
She's
I plan
beautiful.
on doing some cable management in the meantime. I'm just gonna like turn this on and hope that it picks up that I just turned my computer on because that's usually what I do to get it to work. Oh, I think it did it.
Something happened?
Knock on wood. Boom. See.
Oh,
That's-
nice. Well, I don't think this is right.
Okay, it's loading.
Okay, something's happening. Sorry,
Is this new or?
We've never seen this before.
Oh, blue screen.
Windows!
Oh,
Windows! Holy
Okay,
shit.
that worked. You're a genius. We got internet.
One more time.
We got internet.
Nice.
Oh. First game.
First game.
I am playing
you
at a bit of an
stink.
angle. Dude, I'm playing at an angle, man.
Wait, this is easy.
This is easy. Give me some Elden Ring.
How do you lose this?
Oh, that's how the system fucks with you. Oh, the Kraken, the Kraken! What is that? What am I supposed to do about that?
Wait, can I try? I
Yeah,
wanna
yeah,
play.
yeah.
Well, I would be damned if I didn't choose the cat, eh? See, it's all about...
It's all in the wrists, honestly. That is so sad.
Oh, shit. I just wanted to play my surfing cat game, man.
Look, desktop, fresh desktop.
Woo!
I don't give a shit. So here's what's weird.
Look at that beautiful landscape.
I didn't have to pay anything for Windows.
So what'll happen is 2 hours into your gaming experience, a giant pop-up about this big will
Says,
replace...
Pay for
Yes.
Windows or else it will fucking kill you.
Exactly.
Dominic,
Yes? Yes!
you earned the right. You were so helpful in this whole process.
I don't really think I did shit.
Nah, you helped a lot. It's all you.
Okay,
It's
are you
a
ready?
nice meaty corner piece
Watch
here.
this. We're gonna do this in one clean go. You ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
We're gonna come down with it.
Nice. Good job. How's it feel?
I just came.
Oh my. I think I was gonna get like gameplay footage, but I honestly think we could end it
The
here.
Gameplay footage will appear
In an actual
later.
YouTube
Yeah, in an
video.
actual gaming
Yeah.
video, probably.
I'd like to thank our sponsor, Dylan's Gadget Guidance. He actually sent us this PC after he built it.
He also built like some of it.
Yeah, he built it and then he sent us.
Well, like we had to do like the setup part, but he at least built the whole
Yeah.
PC for us.
Dylan's kind of a weird guy,
Especially
but-
that Owen guy or Parker, whatever his name was.
Well, I don't remember.
I don't even remember.
Jimmy?
Jimmy was just a weird.
Jimmy
dude.
was. They were both weirdos. I don't know, but like that's just how it goes.
Yep.
Anyway, I don't know how to send this off.
I mean, it was a very fun experience.
It was a joyride. We hope you enjoyed watching us torment technology as we stressfully built it.
Sorry, computer nerds.
So sorry, computer people.
Sue us.
I bet you will get a comment being like, "Dude, if you don't change this now, your computer's gonna blow the fuck up."
Dude, fire imminent. Like, please.
Yeah.
So
Anyway.
if that is gonna happen, let us know.
Let us know. We hope you give us a like, give us a subscribe. Each subscriber means one less
RAM. One more
issue.
RAM.
One more RAM issue in my PC. His name is Spock. Bye.